Hey everyone, if you're getting annoying notifications from Temu on a PC and want to stop them, I've got you covered. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Temu website. Log in if you're not already signed in. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on the three dot menu or settings icon. Step 3. Scroll down to the notifications settings. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 4. In the notification section, you'll see options like push notifications, email notifications, or SMS alerts. Simply turn off the ones that you don't want to receive. Step 5. If you're using Google Chrome or another browser, you can also manage notifications by clicking on the padlock icon in the URL bar, selecting site settings, and turning off notifications for Temu. And that's it, you've successfully stopped those pesky Temu notifications on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions below. See you next time.